You're watching a recap from Investor XP, the show that covers investing for gamers. Check out the video description for details. It is Thursday, April 27th, and we've got a lot to cover on today's show, so we're going to go ahead and jump right in. To get a quick update on our portfolio, we actually bought some stock this morning for our kids' portfolio. The stock market today is trading sideways for the most part. It was up, it was down, now it's back up a little bit again. Our stocks, as you can see, are a little bit mixed. Normally, I do a full blown video with an update on our portfolio on a Monday or once every other week or so. But we actually are purchasing May stock a little bit early. We did a video yesterday on Seagate. Stock tumbled. It was down like 16% yesterday. At one point in our portfolio, it was up 10%. So big drop off yesterday. It was down. So we actually bought a few more shares of Seagate for our kids' college fund. First thing this morning, we got it for a little under $42. So let's take a look at the portfolio to get an update overall on what we've got going on. So here is the current situation with our portfolio. GameStop was almost back positive yesterday. It slipped down a little bit today. Apple's still leading the way. Nintendo, we were going to be talking a lot about Nintendo today as their annual report came out. They're down a little bit today, but overall, they have been performing very well for us. AT&T slipped back down into the negative a little bit. Disney's doing well. Activision continues to do well. Really want another opportunity to buy some Activision stock. It's up around $52 a share. Hopefully the earnings report, they may slip a little. I'm not counting on it though. I think we're probably going to have to pay a premium to get more Activision stock. WWE is lagging behind our portfolio. Qualcomm is down. Collectors Universe is doing quite well, and the stock I wanted to talk today about when we're giving the portfolio update is Seagate. As you can see, it's now down 1.6%. It was down a lot more yesterday. I'm going to pull up the Kid Broker's website. We don't update it about once a week or so, and let me just pull that up to show you. Seagate, our purchase price on it when we got our first two shares was almost $45. Hopefully, you could, yeah, $45. You can see there. With our purchase this morning, we've averaged that down to a purchase price of $43. So, and as you can see, we added 3 shares this morning. So our average buy on it now is $43. So they own 5 shares of Seagate now. Again, it's still down because we had bought it earlier at the higher price, but it's doing much better, and if it climbs back up, we'll be able to go positive much sooner. Overall, our portfolio is up almost 5% for the kids, so we need to do a little bit of work to get that going. For the picks that we've had on the show, doing much better. We're not outperforming the gamer ETF, though. We'll talk about that in a second. So our picks on the show, the only one that's down is obviously Seagate because they fell off yesterday. Everything else is up pretty good. So overall return, if you followed the picks on the show, is 11%, almost 12%. Probably hard for you to see way over there, but it's about 12%. Nothing to sneeze at. Our don't like stocks, they're actually doing well too. They're up almost 7%. Some of them are doing quite well, including Ubisoft as Vivendi looks to take them over, and BlackBerry is just going through the roof. Netflix, Amazon doing well. So we've got some good picks whether we like the stock or not. Our speculate stocks, we'll just run down the whole list here. Um, Down, Square Enix, AMD are down. The other ones are doing okay. Capcom looks like it's doing well. Mattel is bouncing back. So um, I don't know. Of that list, I really only like Square at the moment. Uh, as they come out with more games, we're going to keep an eye on them. As you can see, though, if you had just invested in the gamer fund, the symbol's GAMR, since they started, they've done a 34% return. So I don't like to mix the stocks in that fund. I like to pick my own. I've got some catching up to do to catch up with what their performance is. Today we made the move of getting more Seagate stock. At the end of the day, I looked at it where I liked it at the higher price. They actually made money off of less sales. They beat on their earnings. Their sales weren't in line. One of the reasons we like them is because of the way that they operate. I think the demand for hard drive space is going to be there in the future. Their sales will grow. The need for storage is just growing exponentially. So I'm not too worried about them. I saw it as a great buying opportunity. Usually we buy once a month. May, more towards the end of the month. May is coming up. I went ahead and cheated a little. They had the funds in their account already. So I bought early. This brings so I got their dividend calculation already for May. So we've grown their dividend up to $51. That's their annual, what they make annually off of this fund, and we want to keep growing that, obviously month over month, year over year, as we invest each month. So boosted their income a little bit, added some Seagate. Hopefully it pops right back up. We'll keep an eye on it, obviously. During the show here, we cover all of the stocks we own and look at future stocks to buy. So that was our purchase. We went ahead, we bought Seagate. Let me know what you think about that move. Was it the right move to buy Seagate right after the big dip like that? Do you like Seagate, or you're a Western Digital person, or some other hard drive company? Let me know your thoughts. You can post them in the comments. All of our recap videos we post right up on YouTube, and that's where the majority of people view them. So interested to know what you think. We bought more Seagate is our purchase for the month for the kids' portfolio. So that's it for today's show. Leave us comments in the feedback. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't already. We have been growing our subscribers very slowly. I'm happy with the progress that we're making. Subscriptions really help grow the channel, get it out to more people. We're really pushing on that. So please and thank you. If you haven't subscribed, give us a subscription. We really appreciate it. We're trying to build a community to get lots of more opinions and views on investing out there for people. So much appreciated. Thank you for watching. Always appreciate when we get views. Our views have been growing slowly, still growing. Love to see it. Thank you very much for watching. Shoot us an email. It's mail@InvestorXP. You can tweet us at InvestorXP.com. Best way to interact with the show is we are live Monday through Friday, 1:30 Eastern, 12:30 Central over at Twitch. The link is in the descriptions. The link to all the articles are in the descriptions. Chat with us live during the show. We can bring up the chat window, have some nice interactions. But recaps, we go up on YouTube. Again, thumbs up. Leave us some comments. We'd love to hear what you think as we're trying to grow this channel. Thank you for watching. We will see you tomorrow.